welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a thrift haul. I had been ill for about a week and I hadn't been charity shopping, I hadn't left my house, hadn't left my bed, and I popped to the charity shops as a little, you know, you're better-ish kind of thing. I actually only popped in a couple of shops and I must admit my heart was really in it, my body was not. I'm still feeling kind of rough. However, I wanted to get this video up for you guys and show you what I picked up. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. So I went to the Basildon charity shops, which if you guys know are like my favourite charity shops. They're really reasonably priced, they have really good items in them, and I'm going to do this in no particular order. So one of the first things I picked up was this jacket. I must admit, I feel like this is one of my best charity shop finds in terms of like money. Like, this is amazing. So I actually used a leftover, like my last bit on my charity shop gift card that I actually got from the Thriftify competition. So it was gifted for the competition. But if you guys can remember how long ago that competition was, considering that is still going, it's absolutely crazy and just shows how far £50 on a gift card to spend in charity shops goes so far, especially when you buy stuff from Havens Hospice. So my local Havens is now everything £3 or less, and in that shop I got this jacket. This is an All Saints denim jacket. It's in a size extra large, which it is not. I'd say it's probably around a size 16, which maybe is like an extra large in All Saints, which is crazy. But this was £3 and it's just this gorgeous kind of black denim jacket. Now I do think this is probably a men's jacket just because the arms are a little bit long. So when I actually wore this yesterday, I just folded up the arms and it was completely fine. But in terms of the fit of it, actually it's not that oversized. I'd say it's probably quite true to like how I would wear kind of a slimmer line denim jacket. But I thought this is perfect for kind of them awkward days we're in at the moment where it's not sort of cold, it's not sort of hot, and you just want kind of a jacket. I might take this to Rome with me actually, which I feel like one of the next videos you will see is my pack with me for Rome. But I might actually take this to kind of chuck on over the dresses I brought for Rome. Just so I thought a denim jacket is quite cute, and where it's black, it's very neutral and will go with everything. So this was only £3. I went into All Saints with my sister yesterday because she was looking to buy some things. One, shopping in normal shops, oh my gosh, I don't like it at all. I went in and was like, I hate this. I mean, obviously I wasn't going to buy anything anyway, but I did not like it. But the stuff in All Saints is so expensive. I hate to think how much this was new. And as I said, I got this for £3 from Havens. So here is the All Saints jacket. As I tell you, this is literally why I say go and shop in the men's section, because an All Saints jacket for £3 is literally insane. And as you can see, I mean, this was marked up as an XXL, and this fits me fine. As I say, I have cuffed up the cuffs. I've rolled up the cuffs twice just to make them like less long. But I know a lot of people like a longer sleeve anyway. But this is like not too oversized. And even if you are kind of a smaller size person, I mean, I'm a size 16, so I feel like I can get away with kind of the larger men's sizes. But even if you are quite small and you're sort of thinking all the men's stuff's gonna be too big for me, I tell you, if you get a small or an extra small, like I'm sure you can actually find a size in the men's section that will fit you just as well as in the women's section, because let's be real, they're just clothes at the end of the day. But this is one of the best bargains I've ever got, and I'm really excited to style this. And to be fair, it's probably going to be one I leave downstairs, chuck on when I'm going out to run errands, and it's just like a really practical jacket. And it's still in really good condition. It's like black denim, and it fades quite easily, but this still looks like absolutely perfect. And for £3, I'm obsessed. Again, from Havens, I actually saw this as I was about to check out. They have a really nice kind of pajama section, like loungewear section in that shop. And I saw this and it was kind of on a hanger together. So I must admit, until I got home, I didn't realise it was shorts. But it's just this originally misguided in a size 16 little set. Again, this was priced at £3. And that was for the top and the shorts. And it is just this little pajama top, and it's got the matching little shorts. And oh my gosh, this is such a good little, this is like sleepover pajamas. Not like I go on sleepovers anymore, but in theory, if I was going to a sleepover, this is what I'd be wearing. It's so cute. I love the kind of long sleeve button up top. It's like kind of really classic pajama style, and I'm really glad it came with shorts because actually I am more of a shorts gal and I will wear these just by myself with like a little sports bra to bed. I quite often will wear pajama shorts kind of all year round. As soon as I get home, I'm in pajama shorts and an oversized top. I'll probably save this when we've got people over and I want to look a bit nicer, but the shorts will just go into my everyday rotation of pajamas, and I am really excited to wear these. And for only £3, like a really lovely set of pajamas, I'm really happy with that. So here is the little misguided pajama set. I thought this is so cute. Can you all just tell me this is really cute? I feel like I'm living my pajama dream. I used to have so many of these when I used to shop fast fashion. I remember saving loads of these little sets on like my wish list, so I just thought they were so pretty. I feel like pajamas, if you are someone that doesn't mind gifting stuff from the charity shop and you know that someone doesn't mind receiving them, this would be so cute in like a little stocking with like, you can make a little hamper that's got like this and some movies and like some chocolate and like a little movie Pamper night package. I feel like this, some face masks, like, oh my gosh, like such a lovely gift. And these are in absolutely perfect condition and I would love to receive something like this. I feel like pajamas are always a lovely gift. So I'm adding pajamas to my gift guide of things that you should gift people from the charity shops because these are so cute and I'm actually just obsessed with them, and I feel like very put together when I'm wearing a nice set of pajamas like this. Yeah, next thing I got was from Cancer Research. This was £2. It's originally Zara and it's a size large, and it's just this gorgeous kind of patterned shirt. I follow so many accounts on Instagram that are proper like dopamine dressing, which if you don't know what it is, it's just like when people dress in like loads of colours, quite often clashing colours, flowers, prints, and oh my gosh, it just makes you so happy. And although this isn't super bright, I thought this kind of came into that kind of title a little bit, and I just love a kind of a shirt like this. Chuck this on with a pair of jeans. I feel like you got a really nice classy but like really cute look. I'm super excited to style this. As I said, I'd probably wear this with jeans. I feel like this would also be really cute on holiday, unbuttoned with like a bikini underneath. I just think these shirts are really good. This one is lower in the back than it is in the front, so I feel like my mum will be stealing this, and for only £2 for a really nice Zara blouse, I feel like is really good value for money, so I'm really excited to style this one. Okay, this is one of my new favourite shirts. This looks so fun. I must admit, I tried it on yesterday and I don't know if it was the lighting, whatever, but I was like, oh yeah, it's nice, but it's not like anything too special. I love this. It's giving like dad Hawaiian shirt vibes that I love. As I said, I just chucked on with some jeans, which to be fair, yesterday, I think I just put it on. I don't think I had anything on bottoms, or if I did, it was like pyjama shorts. But tucked into some jeans. Tell me this is not the vibiest thing. I think with a white belt, a white bag, some cute like accessories, some jewellery. This is so cute and it's giving very summery vibes, which I must admit, it was raining now before, but it is kind of getting a little bit brighter out, but I actually think this is so cute. I'm really obsessed with it, and it's really lightweight, so I feel like when it is hot, I know we're going into autumn winter now, but when it is hot, this is perfect because the fabric is so thin that this kind of just feels like I'm wearing nothing. I feel like this is a shirt I'd wear to volunteering. You can also dress it up, wear it for dinner, whatever, but I really think this is cute and I love it. The next thing, again from Haven's Hospice for £3. It's originally from Asos and it's in size 16, and it's just this gorgeous kind of little dress. Now it's in this kind of linen-y fabric with these tortoiseshell buttons, and these are real buttons. This is how you actually do it up. I must admit, I got it and I was like, how do I even put this on? Didn't realise the buttons were real. So you can actually button yourself into this, but this is so pretty. As you guys know, I'm not one normally for wearing kind of shorter dresses. I like my dresses pretty long, and this is probably as short as I would go, but I think with a pair of cycling shorts underneath this is actually again probably a perfect contender for one of my Rome outfits. I think this with a maybe that denim jacket over it would look really sweet, and I'm just gonna wear trainers the whole time in Rome. As I said, there is gonna be a Rome pack with me at some point, but I just thought this is so cute. Again, for £3, like a cute little dress, this is perfect, and I feel like you could layer this really well. I feel like with tights and boots this would look really cute, kind of autumn winter with like a cardigan tucked over it, and yeah, there's something about this kind of linen-y fabric I feel like is great for kind of all seasons. I don't know, I really like it and I'm really excited to style this one. Here is the little Asos dress. I think it's so cute. I'm actually not wearing like a proper bra, I'm wearing like little bralettes. That's why my boobs don't look the best, but oh my gosh, this is like the sweetest little dress ever. I think it's really flattering. I feel like the shape of it is really gorgeous. I am wearing baby Yoda knickers and I'm not sure if you can see them because I don't know, but in this light you may be able to, but I don't think it's that see-through, so I think we're actually okay. As I said, I thought this will look really cute on holiday, because it is kind of meant to be a little bit warmer while we're out there, and so like this with a little jacket will be absolutely fine for holiday, maybe with some tights. And I just think this is like the prettiest little dress, and I really do feel like this is one of the contenders for Rome. And finally, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already, because as you guys know, if you've been following for a while, we love in this house an 1,000-piece Disney puzzle, and we do them quite a lot, so I don't feel like it's a completely useless purchase, but we love an 1,000-piece puzzle, especially the Disney ones. We have done some of the sweet ones before, which are really good, and kind of like old school packaging ones, which my dad quite likes. Not that he really gets involved in a puzzle, but he likes them puzzles, so we do them quite a lot as well. But I saw this puzzle in Cancer Research. It was £2, and I really kind of banned myself from buying anymore because we have so many, and I would just keep on buying them, but it's storing them because they're quite bulky. But to be fair, like friends and family quite often borrow our puzzles, and I can also give this to my sister to do as well. And it's just this High School Musical 2 1,000-piece puzzle. It's by Ravensburger, which is like kind of the puzzle company that does most of the Disney puzzles. But I have never seen a High School Musical 1,000-piece puzzle. Quite often they're a lot smaller, but we do like a 1,000-piece puzzle. It has been sellotaped shut, but the box is a little bit kind of faded and stuff, so I think this probably has been done before. I'm actually going to do this today, that's why I wanted to film the haul. In all honesty, it's not because I wanted to get it up, it's because I wanted to do this puzzle. So I'm excited to do this and see if it's actually got all the pieces. I'm sure I would have told you already on Instagram by now if it does. Obviously, when you're buying a puzzle secondhand, you have no idea if it's going to have all the pieces. The charity shops do not have time to count all the pieces, so it will not be, probably wouldn't have been checked. But I'm really excited to do this. So whenever I buy a puzzle like this, if I'm planning on gifting it, I will do it before, just to check that all the pieces are there. And to be fair, I think out of all the puzzles we've done, I think there's only been one maybe that hasn't got all the pieces. But apart from that, people are pretty good, and I don't think people would willingly donate a puzzle that has got a missing piece without specifying it, because if I know I've got a puzzle with a missing piece, we will put a note on there and I wouldn't donate it. But yes, I'm very excited about this. I don't know if it's going to be super easy. The characters themselves, the cast members, actors, I don't know, they'll be pretty easy to do. I feel like all of the people will be fine. It's kind of this backgroundy bit that may be a little bit harder, but I do feel like there's enough going on that hopefully it'll be okay. I must admit, I'm not the best at puzzles, but I'm also not awful. I have got kind of addicted to watching Karen Puzzles on YouTube. If you don't follow her, she's just an account that does puzzles, which makes me sound like a right old woman, but I really enjoy her puzzle videos and they're really soothing and great, so if you haven't, go check her out. But yes, I feel inspired by her and I want to do more puzzles, so I'm excited by this. A great activity to do when it's raining outside like it is today. I'm not feeling great and I just want to sit down and do a puzzle, and I'm really excited by this. So thanks to everyone that told me to get it. I was umming and ahhing. I must admit, by the time I posted it, I had so many people say yes, and I did pick it up because I just thought I'd regret it otherwise. But that's everything I picked up from the charity shops. I really hope you enjoyed today's haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite item was down below. Tell me if you would have bought the High School Musical puzzle. And subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!